Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an image fill an entire page in Google Docs. This is useful for creating cover pages, posters, flyers, or full-page designs. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to add a full-page image. Next, click Insert at the top of the page. Hover over Image, then choose how you want to upload your image. For example, select Upload from Computer, choose your image, and click Open. Once the image has been inserted, click on it to select it. Now, click Image Options in the toolbar. In the Image Options panel, click Text Wrapping. Select Wrap Text. Next, scroll down to Margin from Text. Set all the margins to 0. Then scroll down to Position. Select Fix Position on Page. Now, resize the image by dragging one of the corner handles until it fills the page. If needed, use the side handles to fine-tune the width and height. You can also drag the image to position it exactly where you want on the page. Once you're satisfied with the layout, close the Image Options panel. Your image will now fill the page and stay in the position you selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make an image fill an entire page in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.